These three things we'll discuss first. Then more options are there. We'll check them out. First of all, I am creating one sketch on this plane. Lovely. Extrude. Child of God. I have one body. Now, there are these operations here. Operations and Boolean operations here. If you go for the body operation, here you can find the option like seam, simplify, see, cut material, slice material, replay process you already. Then the next option you can find here is seam and simplify. So in that case, what is seam? Seam I will tell you later why, because we require surfaces for that. Okay, we require surfaces for that. For example, what I will do, I will convert this one to a surface body. I just have to just can do one thing here. I will go for the solid body only. Now I will create later the Pronara surface body. Now see here guys, I have one body here. Okay, I am hiding this body now. This box, See here guys, whatever you will create in specification tree, so it will show two options to you. The first one is here under geometry. The first thing is whatever commands you are creating, whatever commands you are taking for creating any body, all the things visible to you here. At the bottom side, you can find one more option, that is parts and bodies. Under that one, it will show you whether you have created a solid bodies, or it will create a surface body. If you create solid bodies, how many solid bodies you have created? If you create a surface body, how many surface body you created? So here we have 7 parts, 7 bodies. Under that one is solid body. The remaining are surfaces here. Okay, the remaining are surfaces here. So these things we have to create now. Here, for example, I want to convert this all surface body into a solid body only. Means in that case, what you have to do? You have to go for the option here, body operation. Use this new option. Select the surfaces now. Okay, select all the surfaces here. Click apply. Selecting this one. C is the operation to join the individual surfaces into a single entity object. It's not taking long. It's not working. Okay guys, just to remind with this option when we are performing the analysis. Why? Because right now it's not taking this option here. Where we can able to perform operation means here whenever we have a surface body. So when we get surface body, see here, if you are saving your file in STP format, why? Because we are calling only two formats here for performing the analysis, which we are creating. Suppose, for example, if I am creating any model in the designing model, like modeling software, from that one we have to export that file into either STP file or IGS. In two formats only we can able to export them. So if you are exporting into STP format, the body is saving into a solid model. And if you are saving your model into IGS format, it will save it to surfaces. So if it is individual surfaces, it will not properly solve the thing. So in that case, what we have to do, you have to make that all individual surfaces into a single entity surface. So at that time we have to use this SU operation. So what it will do, it will join all the surfaces and make as a single entity. So at the time I will explain you in analysis. Right now this surfaces it's not taking here. So I have to check once. Okay, it's created here. It is also not properly. Okay, this 4, 5 surfaces it make here as a single entity. See these 4 surfaces, but remaining 2 it's not making. Why it's not making the remaining 2? Okay, there is some problem here. Here what happened? Only 4 surfaces joined and make as a single surface body here. The remaining it's not joining here due to some reasons. I don't know exactly why it's not. It should come actually. There is no problem here, but why it's not coming? It will come. No, don't worry. Yeah. It will come. This thing like these 2 surfaces also combine into a single surface body and make as a single entity. And one more thing we can able to do that one that body will directly make as a solid also. There in body operation you can find one option here. Here, merge body, yes. Tolerance, create solids. Initially, it's no. If you want to become a solid, you can just click on S. It will automatically make that body as that surface body as a solid body. Okay. I will go for the body transformations now. Here you can able to move your bodies from one location to another location. But here we require the destination. By plane option is there, by vertices is there, by direction. First of all, I will go for by direction. Body I am selecting as this one. This body I want to move. Source move and destination means from which point to which point you want to move your body. For example, I am moving from this point to this point to this point. I want to move my body. Now see here it is moving there. Just click on generate. See here the body has been moved, but it is saying showing that it is creating a duplicate one. But actually it is not creating any duplicate one. This is your surface body which I created later. These are the surfaces are there. That is surface body. Here the original the solid body is there. That is moved here from this point to that point. Okay. That is we are able to perform the move operation here. Like by direction option is there. Then we can find the option like by vertices. It is also same like that only. Here we have to specify 2 vertices here. Okay. Like from which point to which point you want to move. I want to move from this point to press control. Select this one. So like that. So it is same like direction only. Okay. It is same like direction only. Generate. So like that we can able to move over bodies from one point to another point, like one vertex point to the another vertex point. Like that we can able to move our bodies. The next thing we can find here is from one plane to another plane. So by plane means here we have to select the planes here. But right now I don't have any extra planes. So what I will do, I will delete this operation. First I will create one plane at a certain distance. I want here apply this one. I want to move in z-axis direction at a distance of 20. Generate. Now here I have this plane. I want to move this body from this plane to that plane. In that case, go for create body transformation, move, and source plane is I am giving like ZX plane, and the new plane I am giving like the plane which I created, plane 4. Apply body. I am selecting this one. Apply generate. Now see here that body has been moved from that plane to that plane. So like that we can able to move our bodies from one location to another location. Okay. Suppose for example, I am creating one hole on this body. So in that case, select this face. Okay. I am creating one sketch here. For example, polygon I will create. Okay. Now go for modeling. Extrude in the reverse direction. Then the plane only I want to choose the option here, cut material. Generate. Okay, so like that I have done. Now see here guys, I have the hole here. I want to move this hole from this location to other location. So for that case what you have to do? Go for body transformation. Now if I go for move here, it will ask you the solid ball. Means hole is not a solid ball. So we cannot able to move this thing. So that is a problem here. So if I want to move some features like holes, fillets, those things if I want to move, we cannot able to move with the move option. Why? Because for this one we require complete body selections it will take. In that case, if I want to move only the whole, means we have to go for the next option, that is our translate. If I go for translate here, we can able to select the features here. Okay, it's not taking. Features. Create, translate. Destination selection. In that direction, apply, apply. Okay. Actually, what I am thinking is, like holes also we can able to move from one location to another location, but it is not for the analysis software. Actually, this one comes under the modeling things like translate. There we can able to translate our holes also. Here it's not possible. Only we can able to make the solid bodies. We can move or we can translate. What is the difference between move and translate? So move is we can able to move our body from one point to another point in move command. Like we have to give just a source and destination points. Okay, source point means where the object is there currently, and destination means where the object you want to move. Those things only we can able to specify. But whereas when you come to translate, here we can able to move our object by specifying the distances. Okay, by specifying the distances, we can able to move our object here. So that is the difference you can find between move and translate. Okay, now the next thing is rotate. If I want to move this body from this axis, how much angle you want? 45 degrees. Now see, the object is rotating around that axis. If you want to increase the angle, you can increase also. Generate. So like that we can able to rotate our object from particular axis. Next option we can find here is mirror. If I want to make mirror of the particular body, okay, so select the body, this one, apply, mirror plane I am giving like ZX, apply. Now see here the object is making a mirror, generate. Now see here like that we can able to mirror our bodies also. The next thing is scale. If I want to increase the size of the body, we can able to increase here. Bodies I am selecting this one, I want to increase. Uniform you want or non-uniform you want. Means we want to increase your size, whatever values you are giving. If you choose the option uniform, it will assign, it will increase the size in all directions in the same like same value it will increase. If you go for non-uniform, in different axes, like x-axis will take the different values, y-axis will take different value, and z-axis will take different value in non-uniform. If you go for uniform, only one value we have to specify. Generate. Like that will increase the size of the body. If you go for non-uniform here, select the body, apply. If you go for the option like non-uniform, here it will ask you x-axis 2, y-axis 3, z-axis 4. Like that we can able to specify in different axes, different values we can able to specify. So it will increase your body like that. Like that it will create the geometries. Okay, this is the body operation. The next is Boolean operation. Boolean operation is like unite, subtract, subtract, intersect, and imprint pieces. What I will do, I will create some two different bodies here. One should be in add material, the other one should be in a add frozen body. So first of all, I will create one body here on this plane. I will create one rectangle. Okay, so this is my rectangle. So just to create a solid body for the rectangle first, then by using add material option, then create a body, a solid body only with add reference option, like add frozen option. Go for extrude. I want this one to be like 15. Generate. Now see, the one body has been created here. The other one I am creating. Select this fit. Locate. Here I am creating one more sketch here, like oval shape. Okay, go for modeling. Extrude this one, apply in the reverse direction. Here I have to take here, don't take add material. If you take add material, what you will do, both bodies will join and make as a single body only. I want to this two as a separate body, so in that case what I am doing, I am making this one as the add frozen, generate. Now see here I have these two different bodies here. Okay, I have these two different bodies now. This is separate, like that. Now what I will do, I am going for the operation here, Boolean operation. If I want to make these two bodies like a individual body, by pressing Ctrl select these two bodies, apply. Now what it will do, it will make those two bodies as a single body now. See here. Initially what happened, the complete face is selecting this, but right now it is selecting this middle body, this body, and the bottom side only it is selecting. Why? Because the middle will become as a single one. So like that we can able to create our bodies here. Okay, this is the first option we can find here in Boolean operation. Now see here guys, I am going for the next option, that is my subtract. So edit selection, choose this operation here, subtract. Target body is this one, apply. Tool body is this one, apply. Okay, now click on generate. What it will do, it will make a hole here like this. Target body means from which body you are removing the material, that is your target body. And the next thing is tool body. The tool body is the body which is used to cut the material, that is your tool body. So like that we can able to do subtract also. If you go for intersect, just select both the bodies simultaneously, click on generate. So what happened here, only the intersection part will remain here. It's not created. So go for create Boolean operation, intersect. First select the tool body. Tool body is this one, apply. Now target body also we have to select, generate. Now see here, only the intersection part will remain. Okay, only the intersection part will remain here. The remaining thing it is going to delete. Okay, but when you carefully see here, this body is looking like it is looking like a add frozen only. I think we have an option to make the frozen body into a material body. Somewhere one option is there. With the help of that option, see here right now it's looking like a frozen body. Okay, so if I want to convert this frozen body to as add material bodies, we have an option here. Somewhere it's and freeze. It is the thing that attached here. Now see, this is my frozen body. If I want to make this one as a add material bodies, go for tools, unfreeze, select this body, apply. Now see here, this body converted to a but add material. Okay, so like that we can work on this. Okay, the next thing is Boolean operation, that is imprint Day6. Edit selection. The last option you can find here is imprint faces. Suppose for example I want to print these faces. Target body is this one. Apply. This one is like tool body is this one. What it will do means it will just print the faces like this. Elongated hole is enough. That thing is print. Thus that shape is printing on the surface like this. Both the sides will print like that. Now it will become like a individual surface. This is separate surface, this is separate surface. So like that kind of things we can able to do with the help of imprint faces. So like that we can able to do the Boolean operations. Now the most important thing here is operation. I have these two bodies here. This body also I am making like this body. Now see here, the next one option is concept. So concept in the sense it is like a 3D curve. Okay, it is like a 3D curve. Means directly if I want to extract the edges of the solid body. In Sketcher we have to trace the thing, but here if I directly want to extract the edges of the solid body space with the help of these operations we can do. Not only we can able to extract the edges, but we can able to like that we can able to extract the sketches also. See here, whenever we are performing the 1D analysis, the 1D analysis means the element has a very big length compared to other two dimensions. Like mostly when we are doing the analysis like for cross beam like yesterday also like we have done one cantilever problem. That is also we have to perform with this operation only like 1D analysis. Sorry, we have to do that one to get somewhere more accurate result. Why? Because see here, if we have any cross section and that thing what I have to say, 1D analysis means see here, it's only depend on one dimension, the length of that object. Okay, so if those things are there, if you are performing the 1D analysis, the object should be created with this thing like lines. The lines with whatever we are creating, it should be with the help of this one only. If you are creating under sketch also, that one also you have to convert into a line bodies only. Why? Because sketches will not be appeared to you in the modeling like meshing environment. Like when we are performing the analysis, we are going to the model environment to assign materials, to assign boundary condition. So those at that places sketches will not be visible to you. Only thing it is visible there is line bodies. So those line bodies, 3D line bodies, we can say that one. So those 3D line bodies we can able to create with the help of this concept. Okay. Okay, here we have the first option is lines from points. So if you go for the option here, what we have to do, just we have to select the points here by pressing Control. What it will do, click Apply, Generate. So what it will do, it will create one line here. Okay, it will create one line here, like when you carefully see here, it is creating one line. And when here also you can find that line has been created, and under this part body is also showing the line body. Remember one thing, whenever you are importing this model, whenever you open this model under the model environment, like where we are assigning the boundary conditions, so in that case, whatever things are visible here in part and bodies option, below that one, whatever things you are visible here, those all things will be visible to you under the model environment also. Okay, whatever you are able to see here, then all the things will be visible there. So that is the reason what we will do, we will make this one as a body. The sketches will make as a body, so that we can able to assign the boundary condition to the lines. Now what I will do, the first option is line with 2 points, not 2 points. How many points you want, you can able to create. For example, I want to create a line which is diagonal here. Diagonal kind of thing, I want to create one line. So in that case, go for concept line from 2 points. This is the first point. By pressing Control, this is the second one. Okay, click Apply, Generate. Now see here also one line body has been created here. So like that we can able to create the next option we can find here is line from sketches. Suppose for example I have this sketch for this one. So what I will do, I will make the sketch to be show sketch. Now see here I have this sketch. I want to create a line body for that sketch. Means how the sketch is there, the same kind of line bodies I want there. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to go for the option concept line from sketches, select the sketch, apply, generate. Now what happened? Just hide this body sketch. Now you can find one line body. Under that one you can find so many lines are. Okay, like sketch is there. So here what happened? It will create your line body. How the sketch is there. Okay, how the sketch is there, like that we can able to create the body, line body. Okay, the next option we can find here is line from edges. Suppose for example I want to make this edge by pressing Control, this edge I want to make as a line body, apply. Basis is not required here. Why? Because lines are already selected here. Click on generate. Now see here, at those two edges it will create a line body here, like this. So this is the line body. Like that we can able to create our line bodies. Like on sketches also we can able to do, on solid body extracting edges also we can do, or by picking 2 points or more than 2 points we can able to create the line bodies. The next thing is 3D curve. It is like selecting multiple points. Intersecting this, that's why it's not coming. Like that we can able to create the 3D curve by joining these points. Like that. Okay, so like that we can able to create the line bodies. Now split edges. Suppose for example if I want to split the edge here, we can able to do, to go for concept split edges, select this edge, apply. At what fraction you want? I want half, means half line only I want to click on generate. What it will do, it will extract that edge into 2 equal parts. Separate edge, this is separate edge right now. Okay, it will become 2 separate edges here. In a single edge only I am dividing the single edge to 2 different edges. Okay, like that also we can able to do. The next thing is surfaces. Like if I want to extract the surfaces, so with the help of this one we can able to extract. So what I will do, I will delete first all these things. Now the first option is extract from edges. So what we have to do, you have to select all 4 edges by pressing Control. First edge, second edge, third edge, fourth edge. So like like that we have to select the 4 edges. By joining those 4 edges, it will create one surface. If I want to specify any thickness also, we can able to specify. It's not taking here, or else it is taking inside of it. Okay, either it is taking inside, or inside only it is taking actually. So like that we can extract the surfaces here. So if you see here, surface body has been created here. So like that we can able to create the surfaces here. Suppose for example, if I want to create a surfaces from sketches, I have already one sketch here. I will show that sketch first. Go for concept, surface from sketches, select this sketch, apply. Base object is this one. Apply. Apply. Generate. So what happened? The surface has been created there. Okay. The surface has been created there. On that, like how the sketch is there, it is same like creating surface with edges. In creating surface with edges, we have to select 4 edges, like closest edges to select. Between those closed edges is creating the surface. The same thing here also will happen. If you have any closed sketch, so inside of the closed sketch it will create one surface. And the last option we can find here is surface from the faces. If I want to make any face as a surface, we can select the face, apply, generate. So what happened? It has been created one more surface like this. Okay, so like that we can able to create a surface. Okay, like that we can able to create the surfaces here. Detach. Detach is same like that only. Same like CO operation only here. Okay. Detach means here, for example, I will go for the new body. I am creating one sketch on this rectangle. Extrude. Generate. Suppose for example I have this solid body. Okay, I have this solid body. I want to convert this solid body into a surface body. So I already said with the help of this option we can like we have done there, like individually we can able to select the faces and we can convert them into a surface body. But I want complete all surfaces as a surface body. So in that case we can go for the detach operation. Select the solid body. Go for select. If you go for all bodies, what happens? Whatever bodies are present on your screen, all the bodies will detach and make as a surface body. If you go for visible body, means whatever, see, all bodies means whatever the body is present on your project, on your screen, all the things it is going to convert that one to a surface body. If you go for visible bodies, which is currently visible on your screen, only that body is going to convert into a surface body. The last one is select body. Here you can able to select the bodies, which body you want to make as a surface body. So select this one, click generate. What happened here? It will create 6 individual surfaces. Okay, it has been created 6 individual surfaces. Right now you cannot find any solid body here. Previously here we have one solid body. If I delete this one, you can find here one solid body. But when you perform this detach operation for this solid body, for this solid body, if you are performing that detach operation, what happens? The solid is showing here. When you click on generate, that solid body is gone there and it converted to completely surfaces body. Now we will check once again the CO operation. Go for body operation. Su, still it's not taking. Select. I selected all 4 faces here, click on apply. Now see it is taking the surfaces here, now click on generate. So what happened here? All surfaces it will combine and make as a single surface here. Okay, all surfaces it will join and make as, initially it is showing 6 surfaces for you, but right now it's making as a single surface body. If you want to make that one as a solid body also, means we can just create a solid as this, generate. See here what happened, it will make as a solid body, but it is looking like a frozen body to you. It is looking like a frozen body. If you want to convert this one to a solid body, means go for tools and freeze, select this one, apply, generate. Now see it will become a solid body. So like that kind of things we can able to do with the SU operations. SU operations, what it will do, it will join your individual surfaces and make as a single entity object. And that one we can able to convert to solid also, and in solid also we can able to make with add frozen as well as with add material also. So like that we can able to perform this operation here. Okay. Concept, cross section. See here cross section, nothing is there. Here we can able to create multiple cross sections. Like for example, I already said that line bodies, whenever you create now, for those line bodies, if I want, whenever we are performing the 1D analysis now, so we have to create a line body. On that line body only we have to specify the, okay, on that line body only we have to specify what we can say, boundary condition. See here, line body anyhow is a line only, simple line only. So on that one we cannot able to specify any boundary condition. So what we will do, we will assign some cross section. Okay, so those cross sections we have to create with the help of this one. The thing is that just what cross section you require, you have to select that one. For example, I want a rectangular cross section. So what it will do, it will create one rectangle here. Just what you have to do means you have to specify the dimension for this. What is the base you want? I want some 10. Width I am giving 10. Generate. Now see here your rectangular cross section has been. See here, initially if you create this rectangle in a sketch, it will show you here sketch. It will show you here sketch. But whereas when you create here, with the help of cross section, it will not show you the sketch, whatever you created. It's not a sketch right now, it's a 3D curve we can say, or we can say cross section. Okay, so how to do that one? For example, I am creating one line body here. Go for line bodies, how I have to create. I don't have any body. What I will do, I will create one sketch here. Okay, this things are there here. It's created on XY plane, it's created now. It is created on XY plane here at the cross section. So what I will do, I will create one line body here. Line from edges, this is my line body. Apply, generate. I have the line body now. So see here, for that line body, I want to specify the cross section. So what we have to do means click here. It is asking you to select the cross section. Go here. Whatever cross sections you have created here, everything will be stored here. Select the rectangular one, generate. What it will do, the line body has been assigned, the cross section has been assigned to that line body. Right now, when you carefully see, nothing is visible to you. It is showing only the line body only. I want to see the cross section also, which is assigned to that line body. So for that one, what we have to do means Go for view. Here you can find cross section solid. If you enable this one, you can find that cross section has been assigned to your line body. See here, like that. So like that, how to do that one means once you create the line body now, under this option, like part and body option is this. Part and body option is there. Under that one you can find the line body. Click on that one. Then here it will ask you to specify the cross section here. So whatever cross sections you have created, which cross section you want, you can select from this one. But remember one thing, all the cross section will not be appeared here. Whatever cross sections you have created already, those cross sections will be visible to you here. So from that one we have to choose that thing. That's it. Then click on generate. It will create but it will not show. To show that one you have to go for view and enable this cross section solid option. Okay, so this is the option we can find here. So cross sections also completed. So just do the things like just practice the cross sections. Circular we have to specify radius, circular tube, inner radius, outer radius. Channel means all the length. It will represent you the dimensions that values you have to change. That's it. You don't want to create anything here, just you have to give the values. That's it. Okay. That is my concept thing. Tools, it's not that much required when we are performing the analysis. One or two options are useful here, but when we are performing the analysis, when we are doing the geometric unit, at the time only I will show this. Okay. If you have any doubts still here, you can ask.